Yeah, I'm Earl Brubaker from Woolwich Bioen in Ontario, Canada. And what you're looking at here is a biogas plant. This is an industrial biogas plant that operates on 100% food waste for making methane gas to run a CHP. The CHP is to produce electricity under the Ontario feed-in tariff program, the FIT program. We're selling 100% of our electricity to the grid. It's a 2.85 megawatt facility. We take any kind of food waste from grocery stores, green box waste from source separated organics, food processing plants. We can decontaminate the product and take out the plastic and any contraries and make it into a slurry for feedstock for the anaerobic digesters. The end product, the digestate, is certified as a fertilizer for land application for agriculture. So this is a complete loop system. And I guess the reason we got into this is it's the right thing to do, is to turn our food waste into energy rather than landfilling it and wasting the energy. We're quite proud of the facility. We have a lot of capabilities here. We can receive liquid product, solid material, whatever, anything that's biodegradable and organic. Yeah, the decision to go into anaerobic digestion probably happened about 8 years ago. There is some European investors in here. One of the investors lives in Austria. Another one was an Austrian that lives in Canada, and seen all these biogas plants in Europe sprouting up, and he said, this is what we need to do here. We need to turn our waste into renewable energy. Why we chose food waste is there's a tremendous amount of food waste going into landfill. What we have here is 2.85 megawatt. There's two engines, 1425 kilowatt each. And the reason we chose building rather than container with the size of engines that we have here, we just have a lot more room for service. It's more convenient to service them if you have a little more room. The piping system here, we collect the heat from the engines to use for the biogas plant. The gas, obviously, from the biogas plant to run the engines. We have complete SCADA system here for controlling the electricity to the grid. There's a separate electrical room for that. We're quite happy with our installation. It's a neat installation. It's easy serviceable.